Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blend two videos together into one video by using CapCut. So just import the two videos that you want to blend like this and make one of the video as overlay. So I'm going to make the second one as overlays right here. Drag it to the bottom so that it will be on the same position like this. And after that, on the overlay video, go to mask, select the horizontal option, and here you can adjust the position as you like, but I'm going to just rotate it to 90 degrees like this. Okay, let's go back, and here you can just add some feather to have that blend effect. Click on the check icon, and if you want, you can adjust the position to your liking like this, so it will be blend naturally. So this is the final result, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.